Morning. Hello everyone. Welcome. I have another Tuesday morning haul. I'm so excited. I got such great deals at Tuesday morning, as I usually do, when you can find good stuff. And I actually did find a lot of good stuff this time. Excuse me. Please forgive my voice. It's acting a little crazy. It's the middle of the night, so that probably explains it. All right. So most of the stuff that I got is crafty stuff, but I did get a couple of things that aren't crafty, so I'll go ahead and get started with those. So I got these 3 bowls. So as you can see, they were 60% off. They were $2.99, and I believe I got them, they were 25% off of the 60%. So yeah, whatever the math works out to be. On most of them I wrote, oh, there it is. I wrote them down so that I could remember. 89 cents each for these bowls. They are plastic, but they're very heavy duty. And I got 3 because my granddaughter wanted 3. So there are those bowls that I got. Excuse me. And then something else that I got that wasn't crafty, and I think this is the last thing. Well, I got these socks. Every year it's just a thing on Christmas Eve. I give everyone, my kids, my grandkids, Christmas socks. So I got these Christmas socks, and they weren't on special clearance or anything, but 3-pack, excuse me, they were $3.99. And they're the real cushy, squishy socks that I just love. So I got 2 3-packs of those. Normally I get them at like Walmart or something like that, and they're, $2 something per pair. So I thought that that was a pretty good deal. Anyway, Christmas socks. And then I think the last thing that I got that was like non-crafty, these little lip balms. I got them for my granddaughter for Christmas. So that's those. All right. Excuse me. Okay, there is one more thing. Sorry, my bad. I got this for my mom because she takes her dog with her everywhere. It's this little shoulder strap sling. Comes in a variety of colors, but this was $14.99. Supposedly normal price is $24.99. There's a padded shoulder strap, extra wide, and little mesh. Yeah, anyway, there is that. Now, seriously, on to crafting things. Now, you might not think that these are very crafty, but I use them for crafting, and I know a lot of crafters do. I got some napkins, little Christmas-themed napkins. Those were $1.99. Supposedly, normally would sell for $4.99. Another set, fa la 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 la. Yep. And some in silver. Alright. That's those. I got this punch by We Are Memory Keepers. You can see it's a tag and a little flag. Supposedly this normally sold for $24.99, and I got it for $9.99. I'm really excited to try that out. I mean, normally I just make my own tags, but figure why not? Just give it a try. Then I got this sweet little stamp set for $3.99. You use it to make Christmas tags, I guess, for gifts. So I'm excited to use those. And those are by Lawn Fawn. Yeah. And I got these number stamps, which I love. I think there's another number back there. These were $4.99 normally, supposedly $12.99. There are 14 pieces here. Little swirl down there. Yeah, but I really like those. Okay, and then I got this Crafter Companions Pearl cardstock. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can. The camera's picking up how glittery that is, so it's like shimmer paper. By Crafter's Companion, there are 12 pieces in here, 8.5 by 11, 250 GSM, holly green, and that was $3.99. Normal price, $8.95. They had a couple of different colors there, I believe, but with it being Christmas and all, I just thought that the green would be pretty for some projects I have in mind. Alright, here was another thing that I got in their 25% off all clearance items. Well, I should say an additional 25% off all clearance items. This ended up being $1.79 because I think that's a 20% off. Little burlap roses or flowers. They're pretty stiff. So that's those by Little Birdie. Yeah. Another thing that I got that was on clearance, and I got an additional 25% off. This is a giant at symbol punch, and I got it for $1.49. Come on, you guys, that's crazy. The normal price is like, what, $16.99 on this thing? Yeah. So, in the spirit of that, I also got a hashtag. Hooray. Same thing, $1.49 that I paid for this giant hashtag. Could never have enough hashtags, I guess. I don't know. And then this one was also $1.49. You can see it has the two little pointy hands and a couple little cool little arrows there. That's fun. Oh yeah, those are all by EK Tools. And then I got these. I got 2 packs of this actually by Heidi Swap memory files. There we go, $3.99 each. And each one has chipboard inside. They are, I thought they were a little different, but maybe they're not. So they have chipboard pieces, cardstock, little framelit tags. There's some acetate in there, decorative acetate. Anyway, it's called a scrapbook kit, but I have ideas. So $3.99, nice. And again, I got 2 of them. Alright, and then I got this. It was $12.99, normal price supposedly is $29.99. And it has over 266 elements, makes a minimum of 21 cards, mixed to size. And I got this mostly because of the dies in it, but it also came with a few other things. Let's see. Metal dies, 8 pieces. Clear stamps, 27 pieces. Card blanks, 21 pieces. Envelopes, 21 pieces. Adhesive pearls, 100 pieces. Ribbon, 9 pieces. Die cut toppers, 45 pieces. Printed paper sheets, 18 pieces. Colored card, 18 pieces. So, I'll just open it real quick. It's really prettily done. Kind of like that. You're welcome. Alright. So here are the stamps. I don't know how well you'll be able to see those. Try to let you get a quick little glimpse of them. Nice set of stamps there. Oh, here are the dies. So we have little stitched circles and then some scallops. So what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scallops. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the stitched circles. I'm excited about those. I see people use the stitched things all the time and I don't have any dies like that. So yay for that. These little pearls. Colors are really pretty. Soft pastels. And then some coordinating ribbon. And it's in 3 different sizes. I think you can see that. So 3 different sizes of 3 different colors. And they beautifully match the pearls. Nice. And here are some little chipboard cutouts. I don't know if those are stickers or not. They call them die cut toppers, but let's see. Pretty sure they're not. Oh, they're all different kinds. And are they stickers or just, oh, look at that. Are there 2 sheets there? There are 2 sheets there, yes. And nope, I don't think they are stickers. But yeah, several sheets in there of different colors that coordinate, of course. Those are nice. And then 3 packs of envelopes and coordinating cards that are pre-made, pre-folded. So what's that, A2, A7, 6x6? I'm not sure. I was just throwing out some numbers and letters. Who knows? And then there are some pretty papers in here, printed papers. Let's see if that's paper or cardstock. Sorry for all the noise. So it's somewhere between, maybe, yeah, somewhere between paper and cardstock. But it's kind of like, I don't know, almost like the weight of wallpaper. I don't know if that's accurate, but a few different designs in there. Nice, that's pretty. Okay, so that's that. I mean, I certainly think that this is worth $12.99 for sure, because this paper is what looks like 8 by 8 maybe. And you know how much you pay for a pad of 8 by 8 paper. And then just a variety of colors there. And that's that. But yeah, I mean, those papers alone, and then all the envelopes, those, I mean, shoot, the dies and stamps alone are worth the $12.99, you know, and then you just get the added bonuses in there, so yay. I'm really excited about that. So yep, $29.99 normal price. And I got this set of brushes by Jane Davenport. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a holder or something? I don't know. I haven't opened it. But I got this to give to myself and my granddaughter for Christmas. I really want my granddaughter to have it, but I don't want her to take it home because I want to be able to use it too. So I think my mom's going to give it to my granddaughter and I for Christmas. So that'll be cute. Anyway, so normal price is supposed to be $18.99. I got it for $5.99. Very excited about that. Mermalicious brush set. Yep. And then I got a whole bunch of Tim Holtz assemblage stuff. A lot of repeats, but let's just review. Okay, so I got these. They look like little, what do you call them? Mother of pearl, but, oh gosh, can't think. Anyway, these assemblage pieces. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick those up. But, yep. And those were on that 25% off already clearance marked items. So I got this set for 59 cents. Normal price supposedly was $5.99. So yeah, basically 90% off. There's that. And then these are little closures. Pick those up. And they're like flat because I have other ones as well that aren't flat. So I got, I think, a couple of those. Oh, I didn't mark the price on those. So they probably ended up being about, I have another one somewhere that surely has the, oh, here are the other ones that aren't flat. They're more roundy. I like the way I just interrupted myself. Alright, so those ended up being 59 cents each too. I don't know how that math worked out, but anyway, there are those. Have another one over here. I sure do. I just bought up everything that they had. You can never have too many closures. Alright, and then I've gotten some of these before, but I found some more, so hooray for that. And I ended up paying 59 cents each for those. And again, those are normally like $4.99. So yay. Oh, look, more of those. Imagine. Alright, and then I got like lots of these. They have like the little lobster claw hook on the end of them. And they look a little distressed. I'm assuming they're supposed to look that way. I mean, it is Tim Holtz after all. Those were 74 cents each. Normal price, what is that, $6.99? Something like that. Yep. But they had 5 of them, so I got 5 of them. Then there was this silver one. They only had 1 of these. I don't know if you can see the, well, focus. There we go. Get a little detail in though. And that was $1.90. I mean $1.19. Okay, and then I got these little charms. And I paid 89 cents for those. That's pretty. All Tim Holtz stuff. Alright, and I guess the last thing that I have here is this paper pad. I got this for $3.59. It was in clearance aisle, and that's like, what, 20% off, I think. And then the additional 25% off. So normally this paper pad's $14.99. And I don't get that. I mean, you know, the papers are really nice and everything, but geez, I don't understand why. 12 by 12 double, including cover. See how many pages? Anyway, there's just not that much paper in these paper pads, and I mean, I do have a few paper packs that I've paid full price for that were $14.99, but I mean, you know, when I can go to Michael's when they have their paper pads on sale for $5 a piece, and those typically have 48 sheets in them, I mean, come on, guys. Alright, so this is Spring by Alicia Whitcomb, and this is Echo Park. I mean, you know, the papers are gorgeous, don't get me wrong. And it's kind of on the lighter weight side of cardstock. I don't know if it says how heavy it is. I don't see it there. Anyway, let's go ahead and do a quick flip through. So the back side of the cover is this cut apart sheet, and there's another cut apart sheet just like it, but I'm thinking it's not going to have the cover on the front. No, it has a stripe and wood grain combination here. Yeah. So maybe you only get one of those stripies. We'll see. Oh, this is pretty. Little flowers, cute, whimsical, fun. Kind of reminds me of something from 60s, 70s, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's just a color palette and flowers look kind of whimsical and back in the flower power era. Am I dating myself? And on the back side, just a bunch of words. Cute. On a nice soft green. And here we have some diagonal stripes in multicolors. And on the back side, it's kind of a green with yellow X's, maybe? Or a green on green. Kind of hard to say. Oh, this is sweet. Look at all the umbrellas, hot air balloons, and such. Spring, spring, spring. And here it is, Christmas time. At the time of this recording, what is it? The middle of the night between December 3rd and December 12th? Oh, Jesus, December 11th and December 12th? Woo, somebody needs to go back to bed. And we have some little flowers. Sweet little pink and white gingham. Sweet, sweet. And butterflies. And really, like, I think this is cute and everything. It's not really my thing for the most part, but I do things for other people, so it doesn't necessarily have to be my thing. But, you know, that price. Jeez, guys. How could I resist? And it comes with a sticker sheet. And that's one thing about, like, paper pads that you get from Michael's and places like that. They don't necessarily come with a sticker sheet, so I guess bonus. Really do like that umbrella, though, and that bicycle. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, guys. I think that is the end of this. Yay. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I hope you guys have a great holiday season that's coming up. And if you enjoyed this video and like to see more, including tutorials and flip-throughs of junk journals and cards and whatever else I decide to make out of scrapbook pages, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. Check out some links in below to help support my channel. I am an affiliate at Amazon, so at no extra cost to you if you buy anything. I make a little money, not a huge amount or anything like that, but I would appreciate it nonetheless. And yeah, click on that little bell over there to get notifications. Make sure to click on it and then choose all so that you get all the notifications. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and watch one of these other videos. Thanks again. Bye!